Hey everyone, Techni here with a quick review on the newly released HyperX Double Shot PPT keycaps. They're coming in white now. Now I did already review the black pair. If you want to check these out, I'll leave that video description right in the bottom right there. And I honestly love the black ones, but they came in the white and these things just, at least on the box, you look awesome. I haven't even opened them yet. Let's open them right here. Let's see what we got. Let's go on and slice these. I'm so excited. I don't want to cut myself here, right? Here we go. Yeah, nice, just packed nice, and look at that, just so crisp. Nice and shrink wrap just like that, really tight. They're not moving around on you or anything. Little keycap puller right there. All right, so let's get a sack of these open and see how they are here. They're probably gonna blend in perfectly with my table here. Probably can barely even see them. All right. Here we go, sorry. Can we even see that with the light and stuff? So I guess the only thing, we'll have to see with the RGB, because as you see it goes white right there, and then we go into the clear part where the light's going to shine through. It's almost like you get this crisp white, and then it goes into like, I don't know if I'd want to say like a yellowish look. But alright, let's go on and get a keyboard and put some of these guys on it. Which keyboard should we use? You know, how about that DurGod Hades, that one we just recently reviewed right there? The only thing that was missing on it was some double shot PPT keycaps. This is going to be the perfect board for these guys. Alright, so the keyboard we're going to install these keycaps on is a DurGod and HK Gaming Hades 65% mechanical gaming keyboard. If you haven't seen a review on this keyboard, I highly recommend you going to check it out. You know what? I'll leave it right in the link down there because I highly recommend you checking out this keyboard. The entire frame and build of this thing is aluminum. The whole casing right here, one piece underneath. We're talking about keycaps, not keyboard. I'll leave the link right down in the description. Let's get these bad boys installed. This is gonna get boring. All right, now that that's done and I got a massive mess here, by the way, in your box, you get a little key map right here. So if you accidentally pull off all your keys, bam, you'll know where they go right there, or just revert back to your manufacturer's box of the keyboard that you own. Again, I'm using a 65% board here, but if you're using a 60% board like a Ducky or something like that, or a 65% or 70% board, you'll probably run into some of the issues I had. As you can see right here, I got everything to fit, and everything fit great, minus those few over there, which these are some profile shortcuts on this board, but you always have some issues right down here on the bottom with your function buttons and control, pretty much with all these compact boards right there. So again, like I get the control, you have the bigger ones right here, like with the full-size keyboards, and it won't fit right there, which is a real stinker. So I don't know, I have to find something else, because I honestly don't like those few black keys right there. But now if you're using a basic 10 keyless or a full-size board, all of these keys are going to fit on her absolutely fantastic. And speaking about them fitting great, as you see, they have little notches. Again, for like spacebar and the bigger keys, you have multiple down there. On this standard key right here, you have one grip right there. Now what I did notice, I'm putting these keycaps on Cherry MX Red, by the way, and these will fit on your Gatorons and all of those switches right there. But anyways, as I noticed putting these on right there, they were pretty firm. Like I honestly had to give them some press on there, which is nice because it really eliminates some of the wobble right there, but you felt them really getting on there and attaching to the switch, and they feel fantastic. Now obviously the sound is going to vary between which board and which switch you're using, but why I wanted to give you a quick sound test here is they honestly feel pretty solid. I'm just using ABS sprayed caps right here and then go into these, and it really makes quite a noticeable difference, and it sounds very nice. Now, I don't know if you can tell the difference with the sound right there on the camera, but again, it is quite noticeable, and it just sounds very just solid throughout the entire press, and they feel fantastic also. But you know what? Let's check out how the RGB looks on these guys. Oh my goodness. This looks so stinking good. Like, check this out. Oh my gosh. All the way through up there, it comes right through the letters. Oh man, I'm so disappointed I got those black keys right there because this would be so crisp. Let's put a different, alright, so we have this right here. God, I don't even want to show the black keys over there. Wow, it just looks so cool. It really just brings out the LED because most of the lights are right on the back of the switch right there. So it's just coming through the entire keyboard. Here's a solid color, what a solid color would look on it. Oh, so stinking nice. Wow, it looks so good. Here's one more right here. As you can see it through right through the bottom of the keys as well. but it really, it's just even. Of course, it's going to vary between board to board, but on this one right here, wow, that looks so good. I'm so disappointed that I don't have keys to fit these black ones right there, because this would be such a great combo. But hey, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. Hey, I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.